In this video, we're going over how to use the Hypervolt Go 2 to work on the back and shoulders. So firstly, hold the button on the back to power it on for about 3 seconds, and you see the white lights on the back. Those are different power intensities. So you can cycle through. I generally like to start at 1 and see what my partner's tolerance is to the vibration before I move to a more intense setting. Any starting point for vibration therapy is really targeted towards tense muscles. So as you see, my hand is on the shoulder blade here. I'm framing, meaning I'm creating a pathway or a visual and actual physical barrier guide so I don't roll over the bone with the machine. That's the worst thing you can do because you'll start to get a lot of pain, and you'll get the tool bouncing, and that's not what you want. You want to focus only on the muscles. So you use your hand as an outline or a frame, as I call it, to make sure that you're hitting meaty areas and you're not causing any discomfort. So generally, you want to do 1 or 2 or 3 passes in any different area before you move on to a new spot. So your partner can really guide you and tell you specifically what's bothering them, and then you want to start to focus on that. The biggest thing with partner work is to get honest and open feedback. So you're always checking in with your partner to see, does this feel good? Is this a good spot for you? Do you want me to stay longer? So here I'm working in the rhomboid area. I'm doing some of the upper traps and levators, and I'm constantly moving my body to give myself better angles to access the tissue. You can do circle patterns, you can do a crisscross pattern. There's no set way of doing it as a beginner. In our pro series, we'll get into specific routines and patterns, but for this introduction to the vibration therapy tool, it's more about getting acclimated and just starting to work. So you can have a better idea here as I'm going through. I'm again framing the scapula, I'm finding the bony prominences, and I'm avoiding them. When you get down to the low back, sometimes the t-shirt or material bunches, so you want to pull that down and make it taut and continue to just roll through with the vibration tool, and you'll see often a change in texture, a change in the tissue feel, going from something that's tonic to something that's a little softer or looser, and that's generally the goal. So doing a little bit of rear deltoids here, working on some of the rotator cuff muscles that are on top of the bone, but I'm careful not to hit the apex of the scapula or the bottom of the scapula, and I'm careful not to hit any of the vertebra. Moving in the circle pattern, working my way up. All of this is intended, again, to simply relax the muscle and as a tool for you to help your partner when you don't have the physical energy or the wherewithal to do hands-on massage. I'm Stephen Conti, founder of Tokar Spa. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest self-care and wellness videos. Want to receive a personal massage at home? Learn about our couples massage lesson video series in the link above.